That's right, friends. In this episode, I'm gonna follow a bunch of Jeeps straight off a cliff. Fun fact, if you message me on Instagram, we could probably go overlanding, if that's what you're into. Tom, what is the chances of us flying off a cliff today?
Probably about 93.
93%, I like it. And I see you've got the whole crew here. I think it's gonna be an action-packed day full of Jeeping and one Land Cruiser. Finally, sunshine.
I know, it's great.
All this rain was letting me down.
We're swimming in it.
Pretty sure it's gonna reach like 25 degrees Celsius today.
That's why I didn't bring my rain jacket and gun boots.
Oh, you always gotta bring your gum boots. You never know what you're gonna run into.
We'll be fine.
Tom here. Well, let's stop talking about his Jeep. You see, this Jeep's actually a pretty special Jeep. It'll be the third Jeep on my channel that was built by Epic Adventure Outfitters. The Ginger had his hands all over this. I'm not gonna do a walk around video on this one because the Ginger already did. I'll put the link in the description. But the cool thing about this Jeep, it has the alu cab topper. I'm doing too many reviews on truck campers. But hey, it's an overlanding channel. I guess that's what I have to do to get famous. Gee, Tom, this cliff looks pretty good to drive off of. Do you think your Gladiator can go down that?
Yeah, let's send her.
Full send, friends. The other thing is, Tom brought his daughter with us, and she's driving his old TJ. Genevieve doesn't know how to drive stick, so today's like kind of her first day driving stick. How do you feel about that, Genevieve? You can just see the confidence oozing. That viewpoint was pretty sick, but I think we should start making our way to camp.
Yeah, that was great. Let's start heading towards the lake we're going to take you to.
What kind of lake is this anyways? Subalpine?
Subalpine, in a spot that no one ever goes.
Ooh, local secrets.
Secrety.
Yeah, we went straight from rain to dust season just like that. Isn't that neat? Tom, hey, what are we doing?
Just gotta help the kid learn how to turn on headlights.
Hey, it's always good practice when you're off-road to leave your lights on. Otherwise, you can't see in the dust, which I don't think you can see in the dust anyways, but hey, safety third. So does that one have the V8?
No, it's just a Pinstar V6.
Very economical. I forgot to pack water. It's a good thing I just found this sign. See that? It says water source. Do love me some fresh water source. Let's go scope it out. What the hell? That's like beaver fever water. Is that why you guys are so weird?
Yeah, we bottle it and sell it. We don't drink Fiji water here.
What tire pressure are you running right now?
All the pressure.
We're not even like on our first leg of the journey today, and we're already dealing with vehicle breakdown.
You might have to fall down there or you want to hang here.
There's like nothing. Yeah, no juice whatsoever.
Seems like we have a battery issue. Yeah, that's an engine bay. Oh, your positive's loose.
Ah!
Hey, we just fixed the Jeep in 1 second. Quickest trail fix ever. So when you're wrenching on batteries, you have to make sure you complete the circuit between the positive and the negative to make it exciting.
That's right. Because there's barely anything electronic on a JK that could fry.
They can run on hopes and dreams. Well, Marcus, looks like you're driving because Genevieve's too scared to go up the hill. Well, how much experience do you have driving stick?
This is my second time driving a vehicle in general.
I'm all of a sudden really scared for that clutch. Yeah, buddy. When in doubt, throttle out. It's my favorite motto. There they go, what an adventure. Step by step, ooh, baby. I can't wait to get to this lake. Stay tuned. Okay, so we just got to the trailhead and I should probably air it down like I should have in the beginning of the episode. I see you got the fart deflators.
Pay extra for that.
Everyone on Vancouver Island seems to run those. Meanwhile, I just upgraded to this ancient technology. Mark was just telling me this trail leads to a lake hidden in the mountains next to some glaciers, so should be some good views. Or some really bad views, I'm not sure yet. We can't scratch Tom's alu cab, let's guide him through. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there's a giant gash in your alu cab. Oh, it happens. Well, didn't think I'd be doing some snow wheeling in May, but here we are. Ow! Ow! That branch just hit me. Who's putting trees across the road? What is this? Mark just told me to pack my chainsaw back in the truck because we're using his method of cutting trees down.
One of them.
So what do you got there, Mark?
I go a Canyon Oriole 21 saw.
Oh yeah. Ooh. It's got 1 Mark power. Hey, we did it. Getting more and more snow. Wheel speed and bad decisions. Yeah. I'm kind of curious how that TJ is going to make it through this little bit of snow as he stalls it. He's doing a pretty good job. I guess that Angry Eye Grill mod does something. Aww. He must have got stage fright. Are you influencing, Tom?
Me? Never.
A little screen on that guy.
Look at it.
It won't even focus on it. There we go. Hey, I can see Mark. This trail is the epitome of the 530 Club. Hey, Mark, you want to come up here with your little magic saw? We need a tree cut down. Snow wheeling the day away. Oh, that's kind of deep. Oh, here we go. Come on, Betsy. Oh, yeah. We got this. Yeah, Baka. Well, this is more snow than I expected, but I think we're gonna be able to make it. Took me about 10 minutes to get up this.
Okay.
Yeah, I am stuck. Going downhill.
Downhill. Winching downhill.
We're almost at the lake, and I really want to push through to the lake, so we're just gonna winch myself downhill. Have you guys ever done that? Winch yourselves downhill? We currently got unstuck, but I'm a determined son of a bitch. I want to get to that lake that's at the end of this trail. But unfortunately, Mark, his son, Marcus, Genevieve's boyfriend, and also Genevieve, are trying to get out of here before the gate's locked, which is, well, no, it's 4 o'clock now. So, no more time. So we might see them later? I don't know yet. Stay tuned.
Come on, we're almost through.
We're not gonna make it to the lake. The snow has reached a point where it's way too deep. It's at 35 inches, which is the height of my tires, and it just continues for another half a click like that. If I had a snowcat, I'd be pretty down for it. But since we're next to the lake, but not at the campsite, I'll throw the drone up so you guys can see it. Cue 80s electronica music. See you later, lake. Really hate not getting to my destination, but I'm sure we'll find something else pretty stellar. Well, plan A's kibosh. What's plan B?
I say we just keep heading down here and see what we can find.
I like your attitude.
Somebody does.
Is that a bra? Whoa, this tree is stacked. Nice. Stupid gates. This is a road over here. hopefully this will be the campsite for tonight. Map shows it's gonna be next to a lake. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it is next to a lake. Check this spot out. Dude, good job. Amazing. It is amazing. Look at this. Jeez. Pretty slick. Check it out, guys. I didn't stick to the rivers or lakes I'm used to. Neat.
Beautiful lake. Hey, it's one of those famous influencers.
Oh, hey.
Hey, man, what are you influencing today?
Fire.
Fire. Oh.
It's always fire. Since I'm only gonna get famous on YouTube by doing reviews on overlanding products, that's what you guys wanna see, right? Tom, let's do a quick walk around on your Alcab.
Canopy camper.
Yeah. So what can you tell us about this thing?
Well, this is a Alcab canopy camper. They're made in South Africa, imported in here by Capit here in Canada.
If Capit's listening, I'm looking for a sponsorship.
Other than that, you know, it still needs to be built out. They come just an empty shell. You can get them with awnings and whatnot as a package, but I just went for the basic, and then added in the Molly panels for the back. And eventually we'll get the water tank installed, probably next year. But as it is right now, it's just a standard Alcab canopy camper.
Hey, hopefully this is the last time I'll be doing a review this year, but probably not because big things are coming. Reviews galore. Eyebrows. Considering half the group left us, which I think was because there was too much snow. I think. Tom is cooking up all the food he had for them for us. We're in charbroiled burgers tonight.
Charbroil. Chinese Sasquatch?
Where? It's an overcast morning. Morning, Tom.
Good morning.
And I have giant bags underneath my eyes. Check that out. Weird. Thanks for showing me around.
Hey, anytime.
I'm gonna have to try some of that drinking water you guys have. You guys are a different breed.
Beaver Fever.
I might start selling Beaver Fever water as merch. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit it. That's better. Sometimes you just have to do a little bit of pruning to get to where you need to go.